Hello, welcome to Operation Crypto, and welcome to a new video where we're going to take a look at Kusama, which is KSM. We'll have a look at some of the price levels where we could invest, and then some TPs, some take profits on the way up. We'll take a look at both the BTC pairing and the USDT pairings. We'll start off a video by doing some price analysis on Bitcoin. As you can see, since we had that drop, which was 2 days ago, we made a 23% recovery, so we'll take a look at that too. If you're new to this channel, then please make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that like button and let's crack on. Right, as I said there towards the beginning of the video, 23.98, you're calling that 24%. We made a good significant move since the 8th of January. Tap on 31k. Things looking good. We do know we've had quite a lot of bullish news with regards to El Salvador using Bitcoin as a local tender. That means it will be getting used as a currency at some stage. They have actually passed through their government with an overwhelming majority. And then on top of that, they pushed out some news about they will be mining Bitcoin using the energy from the volcano there. So again, massively bullish news, and you can see we have had a good reaction in price. This is a 15-minute time frame. Let's just have a zoom out to the investing levels, should I'd like to call them. And we do know that we've had quite a good rise up here. Remember, we can always come back at some stage. So if you're just looking for a couple of investment levels to watch out on, depends how bullish the market is, but if you're looking for potential investment, I mean, we could always come down to this region down here at 35657, and we've also got the golden ratio down at 33912. But in general, I'm hoping we manage to maintain this momentum now. I mean, we've been down to this region 3 times. We've tapped 30k. We've been to 31 twice now. So it does show that there's quite a big area of liquidity, and that we have picked it up and we've pushed on again. Each time we've hit it, we have pushed on. So let's hope we can now push through and get through this key area at 40k. I mean, we need to be pushing above 41k and closing around 42k where these wicks was to regain some momentum, because currently we are still range bound within these two ranges here. I mean, at 40, just shy of 41k and 30k, so we are range bound at a minute, and we do need to close above this range or to break out and then go on and make some further moves. So BTC looking good on the lower time frames. Let's hope we can pick up some momentum and really start to push on soon. Breaking that 42k level is key. So today's video is Kusama, which is KSM. Currently it is valued at $511.60. If you're looking at maximum supply, 10 million, 8.9 million of those are in circulation. One key point to know is the all-time high. We have been up to $621, which was only 23 days ago, but we know how the market's reacted recently, and it's took quite a nasty swing to the downside. But I wouldn't worry about too much about. In my opinion, I still think we're in a bull cycle, just not looking too good in some alts when we've had some savage pullbacks. If you're looking to get ordered, some Binance is getting 30% of the entire market volume there against Tether. If you're not on Binance already, then you'll find that link in the description of this video. But yeah, we're unlisted in a lot of places there. You're looking like we've got 7 to 8 different trading pairs across multiple exchanges. So that's just a few of the key stats. We'll start off with the KSM USDT, and then we'll have a look at KSM BTC2. This is a bit of a setup I had from last time, which looks like it's actually playing out a little bit. Let me just get rid of this fib here and that and that. Let's have a look where this was in terms of a Fibonacci level. Yeah, so on this latest move we did a 61% retracement, and you know me, if you watch my videos before, I always look for that golden ratio retracement before buying in, and then it's popped back up. This is doing pretty much precisely what I did say it would do. I think I mentioned this on one of the live streams. So yeah, that's looking good. $346 was the buy-in, and now we are pushing up, and we are creating new local highs. Not a million miles off the all-time highs, to be honest, if we just get rid of that on that now. That's the all-time high market up at 626, and we're currently at 506. So yeah, let's just have a look at some potential buy zones within this latest move though, because as you do know, things when they go up always retrace at some point. It doesn't just continually go up. So looking at this move up to that, so from the lowest wick to the highest wick, I always do it from wick to wick, as you do get predominantly most of the data there. So if we're looking for some buy-ins, we've got 2 key levels really to look at. We could have a look at, let's just narrow that down a little bit. So we could either have a look at the 382 level, here at $462, and then I would ladder some down all the way down to that golden ratio region down here. So maybe a couple of orders at $400, and then gradually increase them all the way up to 462, and I think that was a good chance that you might get some orders picked up, and then we're looking for a potential move like this, either to this 382 level or to that 618 level here. And then we're looking to target those all-time highs up at 628. So that is a potential setup there. If we do get a pullback, you could even potentially look at setting a long trade up, because I think the market's coming around now to, I think it's looking like the markets have made a recovery and made that bounce back. Now let's move that stop loss up to 5%, which is around there. So if you're looking for a potential trade, you could look at orders from 417, stop loss at around 390, and then try and target them all-time highs at 50%. Only use low leverage between 2 to 5. That's a bit of a long-term positional trade there. So that's a potential setup. If though you're just doing it on spot and you're looking for some trades and take profit regions, I think the first take profit region will be 589, and then we've got the all-time high at 628, and then we can look at targeting 657. What I will do, Rose, because I don't know too many videos on Kusama, once we do get back up to his all-time highs at 627, I will jump into another video and do some further price analysis on that. Let's just have a quick look at the moving averages. I use it 8 and 21. As you can see, we had a bullish cross here with that nice 4-hourly bullish engulfing candle, which nearly took out all these wicks. So yeah, that's looking good there so far. And to be honest, I think, I hope the markets do take a turn to the upside now and start pushing on. Like I say, BTC there, we need this to continue and push up towards that 40k region and get above 40k before the weekend, because we do know that Bitcoin, crypto in general, over the weekend can be quite bearish, and we do always get major sell-offs. So that's the Tether pair covered. If we just take a quick look at the BTC pairing too, because I know a lot of people do like to stack sats. And let's just have a look at my daily, see where we are. So on my daily, I mean, we're not even too far off all-time highs, to be honest. We'll move that red line up. That is the all-time high. So yeah, that's the 0.014 BTC is the all-time high is there, I do believe. Yep, it is. So we are pushing up there and creating some good levels on the BTC pairing. Dropping to the 4-hourly. Let's have a look, see if we can manage to get some buys in within this region. We did that movement there. Not much of a retracement, to be honest, and then we've started this new move here. If you're gonna buy some in Satoshis, and it looks like we're coming down to this 382 level first, so you would say that this is a buy zone, and then I would ladder those buys all the way down to this region at 0.0122, all the way up to 0.0131. That is potential buy zones, and then obviously going into price discovery in Satoshis, we can start targeting 0.015492 and then 0.016749. So that is some key levels for us to monitor. Some buy zones within this range, and then just hold on, because in general I think the markets, even though we've had a nasty pullback, I think the bottom's in, to be honest, and I think the only way is up now. So fingers crossed when BTC starts pushing up, it will drag some of the altcoins with it. The Satoshi pairs may get a bit hammered. If you're looking at this BTC dominance chart, this is starting to rise now, the BTC dominance, only on the lower time frames, 4-hour down. But if that starts climbing, Satoshi pairs on alts might start to get cheaper, so you might be able to get some decent entries soon. So that's going to do it for today's video. Price analysis there on Kusama and a little bit on BTC. New to this channel, then please make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time.